Okay, let's have a little look at what we can do once the Google Form quiz has been marked and the responses and the scores have been released back to the students. What's left in it for us as teachers? So let's have a look at the multiple choice quiz first. So this quiz had 50 or so hinge style questions in it, and I set it to my class, and what we can just have a look at is some of the questions were done really very well, so 80% getting it right, 88. But then we get to some of the questions and you can see that almost as many students are clicking on A as they are on B. And so as a teacher, I can drill down into that with the class and ask them what was it about answer A that they found to be likely to be correct, and we can unpick whatever misconception is in place for that. When you try to do something similar for the longer answer questions, it's not as easy to unpick any misconceptions. So you probably find that scanning through the answers is best done for the multiple choice questions, but not so much for the other questions. The other thing you can do is take a look at the individual student scores. So I've just floated this box on top so that you can't see the students' names, but you can scan down that and see what individual students got. However, you probably want to put that across into maybe your own spreadsheet, or you want to have a look at it in Google Classroom against the assignment that you originally set. So let's have a little look at how we can process the raw scores. So at the top of the page where it tells you the number of responses, there's this little Google sheet symbol, and if you click on that, it said would you like me to create a new spreadsheet, or you can use an existing one, but usually you want to create a new one. So let's do that. So it's just created that for us. I've just deleted out the names so that it doesn't identify the students in this video, and you can scan across and see what each student wrote as their answer for each of the questions. But more so, there's all the scores at the beginning. So if you wanted them all in one place so that you can transfer them across to your markbook, then there they are, all in one place for quick access. Okay, this was just a very short video just to show how you could access the scores. There is one other way of doing it though, which is via Google Classroom, and I've got a separate video to show you that, and that'll be the last one in the series.